are pleased to show you the 2009 Hummer H2. Hummer H2 Performance. Optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6 speeds wide gear ratios, including an all-overdrive gear, enable the performance. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, 4-wheel drive, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.